Europeana project about Baroque in 17th and 18th century. So here we can see the very famous painting by Vesna Srnic, the girl with the pearl earring. Johannes was the master of light, as we can see on her lips, moist lips, her forehead, on her ornamental turban, and on her, of course, the signature pearl earring.
The next painting is the stone bridge, and it's composed of elements starting from reality. It probably does not represent a specific place. The painting's magical quality is in a dramatic limitation. A being of summer breaks through the clouds, and it is an example of atmospheric perspective, a method of creating the illusion of death.
The next photo was taken by our class colleague Kraljice. We can see here an ornamental gold-plated Baroque altar in the Franciscan monastery of the Holy Trinity.
Next photograph is also taken by Kraljice, and it is a west side of Church of the Holy Trinity. They are all Baroque ornaments.
Okay. The next photo was also taken by our class colleague Kraljice. It shows the Franciscan monastery's Baroque cloister with a beautiful garden in the type of a square. And we can see arcades with massive columns right here, which are typical for the Baroque period.
There are beautiful gold-plated angels at the monastery, and the next picture is decorated Baroque pulpit with the head of an angel.
And that will be all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Baroque was the 17th and 18th century art style. It was known for a lot of ornaments and gold-plated sculptures. Postmodernism is art style of end of 20th century, as well as the current 21st century style in art. It is famous for his combinations of different styles and formations. I am Tasha Collette, and this is my experience on Baroque painting. Girl with the Pearl Earring, Jelene Srnic. My experience is very positive. I felt really creative while using the Europeana.eu web page in mobile learning. Applications, ARTHEA, and which you can change realities in painting.
My name is Fran Horvath, and I experimented with the painting Old Woman and Boy with Candles by Peter Paul Rubens. In the original, we can see exciting effects of light and shadow. My artistic experiment is very expressive and colorful work.
I am Vesna Srnic, and I use this painting. Portrait of a Man by Cornelius Troost. This is a portrait of an elegant man with a wig. The man in my picture is created in different techniques of mosaic.
My name is Slavonski, and I created a boy in gold color because this color was the favorite on Baroque sculptures. Study of a boy's head from Thomas Boscart.
Hi, I'm Kraljice, and you can see an experiment done by Vesna Srnic. This is an oil sketch with a religious theme. She made it more vivid. The Assumption of the Virgin, oil sketch, Peter Paul Rubens.
I'm Lucas Schaaf, and this is my artistic creation in Miami blue color and the mosaic technique, St. George on a Horseback by Mattia Pratin.
Hi, I'm Annabella Kraljice. This is my postmodern interpretation of the painting, The Child with the Bird by Peter Paul Rubens.
Hi there, my name is Stjepan Marjanovic. You can see Zarni's colorful transformation of the painting. Still lively, Witched Candle, Peter Claes.
My name is Marina Mazeva, and I chose the painting, The Milkmaid, Werner van Delft. It's interesting because it looks older than the original.
Hi,
I am Tena Gabric. I am very interested in academic art. I chose this painting because it was the typical religious topic in Baroque, the Virgin Immaculate, or the Blessed Virgin, by Peter Paul Rubens.
Hi there, my name is Kraljice. I use Europeana in video for a kind of minimalistic improvisation on Baroque music, Ave Maria.